Hello. Let's do another video. What I'm going to teach you here is a combination with filtering and formatting. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of this conditional formatting because I used it on a different video. Okay, and I'm going to extend this to be quite long. And the reason I use these kinds of tables is because I actually do it for my finances. So I'll have a huge list of dates starting from, I think it's, what's it going back to now? Maybe 2017 all the way up to like maybe 5 years in the future. And I've got a date for every single day. Okay. So here I'm going to do quite a bit. So we've gone up to, let's say, August of 2020. Okay. And then I'm just going to extend this formula. And the formula is really just day, month, and year. Okay. And I'm going to get rid of this one. I don't need that anymore. And what I want to do is, every time a new month starts, okay, every time a new month starts, I want there to be like a blue here or like a yellow or something so that I know next month is coming up, right? Otherwise, when I come down, I have to physically search or visually search for when one month starts and when one ends. And I don't want to have to go through this one by one to find the start of every month. So here's what I can do. Okay, let's first get rid of this yellow. Okay, let's get rid of that. And what I can do is, if I filter for the first day of every month, okay, I end up with all these, and I can filter this directly. Now the cool, not filter, I can format this directly. And the great thing is, if I format this, it only formats this. It doesn't format anything else, okay? So if I come in here, and I'm going to do something kind of a bit crazy. I'm going to go to my formatting cells part, and let's say I'm going to put a double line black one with a light blue fill. Let's do it with that kind of fill, right? Now, I don't think I actually put the border on it properly. What's wrong, Henry? I got my dog next to me and he's crying because he was barking at the neighbors. Now he's stuck in the garage with me. Okay? It's okay, Henry. All right, so you can see I've formatted just the first days. Now, if I get rid of the formatting, or the filtering, you'll see that it's only formatted these first parts. I'm just going to switch over to my mouse, right? So now I can see every time the month starts. And you can do this for all sorts of different combinations. I do it for like different entries, different timestamps, all sorts of things. So I can see that a month is coming up, all right? And that was a lot quicker than doing it manually. All right, so I hope you enjoyed and see you at the next video.